So today we're going to talk about some properties of logarithms. One of the things that we need to talk about is this thing called a change of base formula. Because sometimes we can't do a logarithm like in our head. For example, we can do log base 6 of 36 because we can think, well, 6 to what power gives me 36? And it's clearly 2. However, come down here and look at this one, log base 2 of 12. So this is asking 2 to what power gives you 12? Well, I don't know. 2 to the third is 8. 2 to the fourth is 16. So we don't have an exact answer. So we need a way to deal with that. And the way we do that is called the change of base formula. Okay, so it says when we have a logarithm that we can't evaluate, like in our head, log base b of x, we can use this. We can take the log of x over the log of b. Sorry about that typo there. Not what it's supposed to say. And we can do this with the common log or the natural log. So let me show you how this works. So if we want to do log base 2 of 12, which remember we said we can't just do that in our head, we're going to do it using the common logarithms. So we're going to take common log of 12 over the common log of 2. And the 2 goes on the bottom because it's the base. So then you pick up your calculator, you do log 12 divided by log 2, and you get 3.58. Okay. Now, I want to show you that this also works with natural logs. It does not matter which one you use. So if we're trying to do log base 2 of 12, we're going to take the natural log of 12 over the natural log of 2. And remember, the 2 goes on the bottom because it's the base. So then in your calculator, natural log of 12 divided by natural log of 2 is 3.58. So when I do these, I tend to do natural logarithms because it's 2 letters to write. It's less writing because I'm lazy. It does not matter which one you use. So that's the change of base formula. Now, we have 3 different properties of logarithms that we learned about in Algebra 2. The first one is for multiplication. If you are taking the log of 2 things that are multiplied together here, you can split that up into addition. Okay, so multiplication means addition. If you are taking the log of 2 things that are divided, you can split that up into subtraction. And then the power property, I call this the down and front property. If you're taking the log of something to an exponent, you can bring that exponent down in front, and it becomes n log base b of u. You can also do this the other direction. If something's down in front, you can pop it back up to the exponent if you want to. Okay, so that's the down and front property. That one's my favorite because we use it a ton. Okay, so in number 3, we want to write these logarithms in terms of log 3 and log 5. So basically what I want to do is I want to rewrite 75 using 3s and 5s. So let's see, 75 is 3 times 25. Well, that's a 3. And that would be the same thing as 3 times 5 squared. And now that's multiplication, so I can split that up into addition. So this is going to be log 3 plus log 5 squared. And then my last step is this exponent can come down in front. So this is the same thing as log 3 plus 2 log 5. Okay. So now I've rewritten that in terms of log 3 and log 5. Let's play a similar game with this one. All right, so we have log 9 over log 25. Well, I can split that up. That's division, so I can make this log 9 minus log 25. And 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. And we already talked about that 25 is 5 squared. Now I can bring both those exponents down in front. So this is 2 log 3 minus 2 log 5.